Be- Welcome to ITK Study Path. This is SBK. Last video we have seen how to retrieve date value from database by using JDBC application. Okay. Patches advanced on the TPM. Okay. Class notes. This is the last session. Retrieving date value from the database. We can use either simple statement object or the prepared statement object for retrieving date values. Okay, this is the some reasons. This is some reasons are there. By using two methods, we can retrieve the value, get a string or get date. I have used which method? Get date method. This is the conversion. Okay. SQL date to util date. Why? Because while retrieving the data from the database, while retrieving the date from the database, so it's written as a SQL date, java.util.sql date. So it's our responsibility to perform the conversion. This is the way. This is the way to which format you want. Look at this simple. This is the example we have seen last video. Okay, guys. It's asking open. So now connection URL, pass the URL. Class loading is the optional nowadays. So this is the query. Okay, this is the example. So today's discussion is I want to retrieve the date wise employee between this range. I want employees. How many employees join 2003 to 2003 to 2009. Only this much employees I want. Suppose 10 to 10, 2003, 2002, 2003 to 10 hyphen 10 hyphen 10 hyphen 2009. Up to this, how many employees join this organization? I want to know. So in this video, we will learn this. I will teach all these things, guys. Don't worry. I want this type of thing. Okay. I want this. So how many employee join this organization within this date? Within this date. So write a program. Write a program within range. Write a program. Get date. Date. Get employee. Get employee within range. Within given range. I will ask to the user, put your date range. Okay. Suppose user enter this range 2003 to I want 2009. Okay. Then the query will execute. The query will execute and show the output. So let's write the example. Okay. So let's write the example. So let's try our database is running or not. Just check it out once. So we want to insert, I will insert some more data on the database. Right now, I think the data is one only is there inside the Radhika last class. Yes. Yes. This open. This is the work with the date. Last examples. Let's see. Ah, it's taking too much time, guys. I think some services is not running. Huh? Let's run the service first and open. Services. Oh, just press O and no, service is not starting. Service is not running mode. So run the services. Now first service is Oracle service ORCL. Okay. And next is TN listener. These two services is important. Very, very important. It should be running mode. It should be running mode, guys. So this example is going to be very important. Okay, very interesting. Okay. So be with me and just do practicals on your system. And if we have any query, personal query, use my mail java by sbk@gmail.com. I will respond you. Otherwise, join my group, Telegram group. There's group links are available in the video description. So go and join, guys. So there I will also give your as soon as possible your questions answer. Don't worry. Our service is ready. So now let's just SQL plus. Okay, it's open. Okay, my username is system. The password is also system. Now connected. Select star from employee. I think employee, not one data is there. Okay. So insert some more data. So we get value, we prepare this example on the basis of date of joining. Which date of joining? Okay. So now, so let's go our example. Form.sql.date. Okay. Prepare a class. Retrieving date by retrieving employee new class retrieving retrieve retrieve employee by date range by joining date range na? date of joining relationship. So now I want main method. It's okay. Now first we throw the exception. Remove this. No, what? Remove this. Okay. First throws the exception. Throws exception. Okay. Right now I am not using try and catch after some example. Why? Because some more content are there. Many more examples I will prepare. Okay. This is the basic. Okay. Also, I will use in this batch MongoDB. I will not use like MySQL database. MySQL database I will not use. Just I will use MongoDB instead of MySQL. This is the NoSQL database, dynamically growable natures. Okay, I will use. But some other features, not right now. This is the basic is going on. Okay. So now prepare the example. Let's start. Mm, Preparing first string URL equals to JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate localhost colon 1521 orc. Your URL is ready. Now prepare your username. US equals to what is the username system? That's it. String password. Pass on the system is my password. So now, well, this is the lazy connection con equals to driver manager driver manager dot get connection. Pass the URL, that's it, comma, passing the US means user name, not username, not UN. Yeah, okay, UN, pass the UN, okay, UN, comma, pass the, import the package control shift O, java.script. That's it. Now here, the in this example, most important thing is how to prepare a query. How to prepare a query. This is the important. Remaining thing are same. So how to prepare a query? It's I will tell you. I want this to this range. Na? So using greater than or less than equals to. Okay. Math uh, operators. Yeah. So prepare a query first. String retrieve string retrieve retrieve date retrieve dates equals to what is it? Select, pass the column name or use, better to pass the column name, otherwise use star symbol instead of passing column name. Use star from which table? Employee table, where where this is the important, where date of joining, column name is date of underscore date of join. The column name is there na? Let's check it out one more. Describe describe okay, column name is date of joining. Okay, date of joining, that's it. Where date of joining greater than equals to and, pass the and date of date of date of joining. This is the starting date, this is the starting date, this is the end date na? This is the end date, pass that end date of joining, column name is right, huh? Joining, that's it. Joining, date of joining less than equals to question mark. Question mark is required here, passing the date value by asking to the user. Okay, now that's it, your query is ready. Now this query, it's written within this range, within, provide asking to the user enter a date, and second asking to the user end date, this is the starting date. Okay, this is the end date. Then they will return, then they return, and this query returns within the range, within the given range value result set in the form of result set. Now next is asking to the user. So we prepare one scanner sc equals to new scanner, pass the system dot in. So asking to the user, hey user, enter the value. So simple, s out, ask to the user, enter start date, enter start date of joining. Also giving the format to the user. This format you entered. Pass the format. Which format? DD hyphen byte format. Okay. Now I want to in the same line enter into same line. So now hold the value inside the string string like date of joining equals to sc dot next. Now ask to the second end date. system dot out dot print method is there. Enter end date, end date of date of end date of or range, or the end date of, not this, not end date, end range, yeah, end range of the date of joining, of the of date of joining, date of joining. We provide the format also here to the user for the better convenience. So here DD same format, enter to the user DD by y. That's it. Now next string, hold the given string date of range. Starting date, yes, this is the starting date, this is the ending date of joining. Okay, sc dot next method. That's it. Now next thing is very important here. Process this, set this, set this date of into the prepare statement. So now prepare one statement. What is that? Prepare one statement tst. Prepare one statement like prepare statement pst equals to on dot prepare statement and pass that SQL query. And next is setting the data, set the data pst dot set. This is the date. This is the date. Pass set to the date. Index number is 1. Simple. Before setting, this is the executing query. Before setting the data, perform the conversion. Perform the conversion. So performing conversion, what is the conversion? Simple, simple date format. Simple date formats SDF equals to new simple date format. Simple date format. Okay. Simple date format. Simple dot format dd You can perform this. dd Okay, bye. Now here the string data SQL dot Java dot util SQL dot date. SQL date of joining. SQL date of SQL ending date of joining. That's it. Okay. Equals to new Java dot SQL dot date. Date inside the constructor. Inside the constructor, pass the SDF SDF dot parse method. SDF dot pass the source. I will use in the single statement. So put more concentration. Passing the starting date of joining. Starting date of joining. That's it. Now, next thing is this date converts into millisecond. Then you can perform this date perform into time, millisecond time. Where is the method time? Yes, this method is time. Not simple. Now, this line, it's happening like converting the date, util date to SQL date. Okay, util date to SQL date. Now, same thing performing next. Copy this. Otherwise, writing Java dot SQL dot date. What is that? Date, not SQL date. Date equals to, this is the SQL. Yes, yes for SQL starting. This is the SS. This is the ending date of joining equals to new Java dot SQL dot date, passing the SDF dot pass the method. What is that? End date, starting date, end date dot get time. You can perform separately. It's your choice. It's totally depends on you. I have shown all this way. This is my responsibility to show all the points you can do in a single line. You can do all these 4 steps in the this where millisecond conversion. Simple. Anywhere we did the simple. Yeah. This one and this one we are now I am doing in a single line. Now I am doing in single line. These 2 things. So now, next is now you can set the PST value. PST dot date. Set a date is 1 index sample date of SQL date of start. That's it. PST dot setter. PST dot setter. PST dot setter date. PST dot setter like index number 2 and here you pass SQL ending date of joining. That's it. Now your setting is completed. You set the data inside that. Now simple. Execute the prepare statement. So PST dot execute query method is there. Execute query method is there. Execute query method is return type is result set. Holding the data inside the result set. Result set RS equals to Control Shift O, import the package. Now process the result set. So now how to process the result set? It's simple. First, inside this record, how many things is there? Let's check it out. First is enbo, name and date of these things. Okay, so I want to process all these things in my while using while loop. While rs dot next method is there. Rs dot next. Inside this, I want to process all these things. Int employee number equals to rs dot get int method is there, passing the index 1. That's it. Next is java dot java dot util, not a util, SQL. Why? Because I will use what? rs dot get. The rs dot get date method. I will use the rs.get method. So rs.get method, it's returning as a SQL date. So it's our responsibility to SQL date to convert into simple date, like util date also. So now string here, first get the name, ename equal to rs.get string. passing to n string error. Why it's method all that time. Now next thing is java.sql.date equals to sql.date. Here pass what is that? SQL date of birth equals to rs dot get date method is there, passing the index third. Okay, java dot sql dot date equals to sql date of joining equals to rs dot get date method, passing the index of the code. Now save it. Now we will get SQL data. I think we okay. Where here we declared starting simple date. Here SQL use SQL. Okay, SQL queue use queue. That's good. So now we will get SQL date. We will get this process the data inside. We store inside the SQL date value as a SQL format. So now convert SQL to string, SQL to util. So now we use simple date format class. What happened, guys? Simple date class SDF1 equals to new simple date format. Simple date format passing here, pass the here. What is that? Pass here which format you want, dd, mm, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. That's it. Now, setting the data, and that's it. SDF1 dot format. Format is the method to performing reverse operation. SQD, date of birth. That's it. Now, this return, this return string, simple string, this return string, what is that? SQL is not SQL, util date of birth. That's it. String util date of joining equals to SDF1 dot format. SDF1 dot format. SDF1 dot what is that? Oh, SDF1 dot format. Pass the SQL date of joining. Now your data is ready for the printing. Now your data is ready for the printing. So simple, print the data. So what is that? Yes out, yes out, yes out. I think use the better. What is that? One format, using one format like DNO, employee number, /t, employee name, /t. I think so, na? DNO name is /t and /t. First use one. Now, before painting, we will do the like some designing part before painting. First, let me check. We will check our program is execution success or no. Okay. So now, employee NBO equals to just print here. What is that? ENO. NO. Let's print in same line. Now, yes out, employee name, name plus. Yes out, Mm, no, this way is not recommended, guys. No, 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 no. It's printing table by table. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. You may will get confusion, so better to use one thing. Direct reprint, na? Direct reprint first data. Yes, out in the same line. Okay. Now print the data. Mm, First envo plus some space plus rename plus provide some space. What is that? Plus mm, util date plus some space plus util date of joining. Now our program is ready. After this, after the while loop, just close the connection. What is that? rs dot close method. Close the connection. Con dot pst dot close method. And next thing is con dot close connection. Also, we should because why? Because connection is the very costly. Okay. Now our program is ready. We want to insert some more record. Na? So let's execute this. Control F11. This is the insertion part. Yeah. We want 5 methods. So better to use while loop. Okay. I want again to while loop. Close the while loop here. Why I am doing this much now? You will wait a minute, guys. Okay, now while loop true scanner is asking, again the program will execute. Na? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Control F11. First, I'm inserting some record inside the database. Why? Because one record is there. So how you can provide the range? Okay. Now employee ID, like which ID is we inserted? 101, 102. Sorry, 102, 102. Name is Ramesh and date of birth like 10, 12, 12, 2000. That's it. Date of joining 2003, 2003, 2003, and date is 10th to 10th. That's it. Inserted again, I want to ask him. So 103. I will use while loop. That's why I used while loop. So let's check it out. Record is inserted or not. Wait. Record is inserted. I want to insert at least 5 to 6 records. So we get clarity to be driving the image within the range. So 103. Name is like Karina, and date of birth like 10, 10, and sun is 2000, 1996, and date of joining year 2000, year 2000 hyphen, and month is 505 and 05, 154. Got inserted 105, 104. I want to show employee name like Aman, and date of birth, Paul Daman's date of birth like 12 date and 10 date and month is 12, son is 1993, and date of joining, he joined the organization, like suppose this is the not original data, just I am telling. So like entered 996, 1996, 12 and 04. That's it. Insert 105 like image, and enter date of birth like 10th, 10th, 1999. That's it. And date of joining, he joined in the company. He joined in the company, suppose 2000, 2005 hyphen 2005 hyphen, and month is 05 hyphen, and and date is 18. That's got inserted. I want to insert one more 5 not 6. And employee date name, employee name. So pass Radhika is inserted. Rahul. Rahul. Yes, good. Good name. Rahul is good name. Date of birth. Date of birth. Pass the date of birth. Rahul's date of birth. Like suppose 199 19 13 13 13 date, month is 09, and sun is suppose 19098. Simple. And date of joining, he joined the company, 2009, and 10th date, 10th month. Employee, I want insert 108, and 108, 108, 108, name is name is Larry Wilson. Larry, Larry Wilson. Larry Wilson. Double R, na? Double R. Larry Wilson. He is the CEO of, sorry, what happened? Oh, entered 2 times, na? Record won't inserted actually. Oh, okay. So record is inserted sufficiently. Now, this much is record is inserted. October, December. So I want the only employee which will join 2003 to 2009. Enter the date. Run our exact application. So which is drive employee by this. Run this. If you be facing this any problem here, I will resolve. Don't know. Just enter a start date of joining. What is the date I want to enter? 10, 10, and 2003. Enter. Date of ending 10 hyphen 10 hyphen 2009. That's it. That's it. Only 3 employees working as joined the company within 2003 to 2000, 2009, 2003, 5, only 3. Let cross check one time. 2003, date of joining, 2003 is 1. This one, 2003, this. It's also calculated within the month, October. Okay. So now, if you want to run one more time, you can run it. It's not an issue. So this is the total example, guys. It's a very good example. I hope you will get clarity about this, how to prepare this type of application. Next video, I will prepare one calculator, date calculation, how to calculate. I will do some practical also. Okay. I will prepare some more examples on the date. Next example, I will prepare like to calculate the date, how many days and months kind of thing. I will discuss on database also, guys. So this is for today's session. So I think it's enough. So I will paste this. So today's session is over, guys. So we will meet next session. I will paste on or do some modification also. You can create this when we use try and catch. Then we will create a connection as a global result set also global. All this thing we will create at the globally. Okay, guys. So thank you for joining me, guys. And please share this video there. Those who want to learn free these things. Or one spring batch is going on this channel. Okay, so go and join us. Okay, if you don't know my channel, just search iTrick Study Bar. Okay, if you're watching this video also in the iTrick Study Bar, this video is available. Okay, guys. So not required to wait. I want to paste the code here. Okay, so wait, guys, wait. Don't see. Definitely comment on the comment. Do like here, please. Huh? If you like the video, please like it. If you don't like, just dislike the video. I don't have any issue. Okay. Do comment if you have any queries. Sir, prepare this example, prepare this example. I will prepare. Don't worry. Just put in the query. I will prepare a separate video also. I will upload on this channel. If you want to learn any new thing like Git, I'm planning to introduce AWS also as soon as possible. Okay. Just I am right now I'm somewhere busy. Okay, guys. So that's why I'm preparing these batches. Like first batches I announced every day I prepare like 4 Java, some related topics. Okay, 4 to 5 topics I have covered in the OOPS concepts, and this batch is continue. And one batch I started like Spring MVC. Okay, after that I will preparing like AWS also. All these things here you will get. Okay, tool also real-time tool, project development tools, and all the Jira and Agile, all these things I will discuss, guys, here. So don't worry, just follow my instruction. Otherwise, if you have any personal query, just just use my mail ID, which is available in my group also. I want to write one more time. Java by sbk@gmail.com. This is my mail ID. If you want any type of project help, you can just send me mail. I will help you guys. Don't worry. Okay. And this channel means it's help to the student, those who unable to pay fee in the big institutes. Okay. This channel for those guys. So please like and share and please subscribe this channel, guys. And for more videos, we will get it. Also, I am planning some other batches. When I will get a free time, I will prepare it. I'm working somewhere, guys. I'm working somewhere. When I will get free time, then I'll prepare a videos, all these things, and taking a session, live session, and Zoom meeting. All these things I will. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining me, guys. Thank you. We will meet next session. If you have any query, just comment on the comment box. I will give an answer to you.